Good morning, dear students. Now we can continue our chapter Conditional Statements in Java. In the previous class, we discussed about that if else, if and only if. Now we are going to study nested if statements. The term nested means one action is taken within the another action. One action is taken within the another action. In this, an if-else statement appears the inside of another if-else statement. In this, the inner if block of code is executed only if the outer if's expression evaluates to true. The else part of a nested if-else is optional. Curly braces are only required if there are more than one statement. For nested if the expression 1 is true, then it will enter the block and check another condition, that is expression 2. If this expression is true, this statement is working. Otherwise, another statement is working. In case the first condition is false, then the control will ignore checking the internal condition and will move to the else part. Here is an example of nested if statement. See, if x greater than 10, then check that if x less than 100. See, here if the first condition is true, then move to the second condition. If the condition is true, the output is 2-digit number. Otherwise, it will display not a 2-digit number. Here, if the two conditions are true, then only it will display the 2-digit number. Otherwise, it will display not a 2-digit number. Then in the first condition, if x greater than 10 is false, then it will move to the last else part and will display 1-digit number. If the first condition is false, it will not work the internal if condition. The execution will move to the last step, last else condition. This is nested if statement. Next one is exit function in Java. Exit function in Java. That is system.exit of 0. In case the execution of the whole program is not over, but your requirement is fulfilled. Under such situation, you would like to terminate the execution in the middle of the program. For this, system.exit of 0 is help us. System.exit function is used to exit a program before completing that execution. We can exit the program in the middle of the program execution. We just finished that first type of conditional statements, that if statements. Then we can discuss some programs. We can discuss the program in the live class. So you can write the notes before the live class and get ready. Okay, thank you.